Hi, I'm Jim Farris. I'm the CEO of Mosser Capital. And today I'm going to talk about how technology has impacted how we operate and invest in real estate today. The past 2 years of COVID has created a situation where top-tier managers or investors need to utilize technology, and it is no longer a nice to have. Real estate is a business where every dollar counts from both an operating margin and an investment, and the use of technology is the clear path to success today. Technology allows us to make smarter decisions and make those quicker through automated workflows, the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning, and being able to aggregate information that in the past have always been segregated within different parts of a company. It's important for us to think about some of the big trends in technology that we want to make sure that we're focused on as operators and managers in order to remain competitive. I'm going to spend the next few minutes talking about future trends in prop tech that are must-haves in order to compete in the future. The first trend I'm going to talk about is leasing and security application. This, primarily in multifamily and commercial properties, is going to be an incredibly important solution that is applied in the future of operating real estate. COVID gave us a situation where where the old rules no longer applied, and we had to figure out new ways to lease apartments and office space. That is only going to continue in the future as operators and investors both get more sophisticated in how they can get this done. And in order to remain in the top tier of operators and managers, it's going to be essential that you apply these technologies. The second trend that we're going to talk about is maintenance and operations data aggregation. Maintaining an automated workflow is going to be key in order to remain competitive. Property managers' margins are dropping, and they're going to need to continue to automate key tasks in order to remain competitive. Data aggregation is essential in understanding what decisions need to be made, and managers have too much information but not enough direction on what they need to focus on. And data aggregation and workflow automation technologies are going to be key going forward. Third, ESG. ESG, as everybody knows, is a huge topic, and I'm speaking primarily about the environmental side. It's going to be mandated that investors and operators report on every aspect of ESG within their portfolios. That trend is already starting today. It's going to continue. Not only reporting on, it's going to be a mandate that we make changes in how we operate and invest. And regulatory policies towards environmental conditions are only going to become more intense and be more of a mandated as opposed to a suggested policy. Fourth, let's talk about how we manage distributed platforms and distributed investments. Platforms like single-family rental, institutional, small multifamily investment, institutional. These all need distributed platforms, how they can be managed and maintained accurately and optimally. And we're going to need technology solutions that allow operators and investors to take advantage of these opportunities. And finally, I'd like everyone to think about what is the future of technology in real estate and how we can make both a positive effect on our returns as well as the world that we live in.